efficiency with style with the cubic display system from Vollrath. Ideal for buffet presentations, the cubic display provides operators with the ability to tailor their setup for any food service setting. The cubic display is a full-service product line featuring everything from risers and shelves to cooling plates, melamine bowls, and cutting boards. As a completely customizable system, you can choose a preset kit for a simple startup or individual pieces to build your own display. The cubic display system's modular cubes and crossbars can be stacked or combined into a variety of configurations, ensuring a customized experience each time they're used. They are quick to assemble, lightweight, and stackable for easy storage. The various cubic components allow you to add vertical height to maximize your linear serving area. Each element slides in place with another to provide the durability you need for heavy bowls, beverage dispensers, or steam table pans. The black display components feature elegant, clean lines for smooth integration into any decor. The melamine bowls come in fun colors, from red and yellow to blue, green, and white. No matter the style or design of your event, the cubic display system has the perfect color combination to match. When it comes to buffets and catered events, presentation is crucial. With the cubic display system from Vollrath, you'll take pride in your setup each and every time.